Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up HubSpot email tracking for deal velocity step by step clearly. First, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the sales dashboard. Locate the settings option in the top right corner. Click on tools in the left sidebar. Select email tracking from the list of tools. Ensure that email tracking is enabled. Visit the integrations tab to connect your email provider. If using Gmail or Outlook, follow the prompts to sign in. Grant HubSpot the necessary permissions to access your email. Once connected, return to the email tracking settings. Customize your tracking preferences as needed. Select whether to track all emails or specific ones. Choose to receive notifications for email opens and replies. Next, go to your CRM dashboard to create or edit a deal. In the deal view, link emails to the relevant deal. Send an email directly from HubSpot to ensure tracking is active. Monitor the engagement metrics on the deal page. Utilize the insights from email tracking to improve deal velocity. Adjust your follow-up strategies based on email interactions. Regularly revisit settings to optimize tracking preferences. With these steps, you're set to enhance your deal velocity using HubSpot email tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.